Today I'm very happy and pleased with this new product. It's called the 3-in-1 Portable Magnet Wireless Charger. What this is a 3-in-1 charger. It wirelessly charges your phone along with your iPod and your Apple Watch. So if you have that combination of products, then you can charge all three at the same time. As you can see, there's a manual right here, and there are 3 different docks. This is the central. You can add this one here, add this one there. It's very good to read the manual. It also comes with a USB-C. I like the quality of this cable. This product is QI certified, can be used to charge all iPhones that support wireless charging and even the Samsung Galaxies. It has over temperature protection, it has over voltage protection, it has short circuit protection and over current protection. So that's very good. Let me show you guys how it works in real life. USB-C. Remove this from the cable. Power bank is attached. I'm gonna plug this right in, make sure it goes all the way up. There's a blue light that blinked once and then it went off. All right, so I'm gonna add it to it to see if it's charging. And there's a blue light that comes on the air, which signifies that it's charging. This is for the AirPods, and this is for the Apple Watch. And this is very convenient. It doesn't get any easier. And it supports fast charge.